Antimicrobial resistance or drug resistance is a global problem, and addressing this is a top priority of WHO. We have with us Dr. Poonam Khetrapal Singh, Regional Director for WHO Southeast Asia region. Ma'am, can you spell out what's happening in this region and how the region is tackling this problem?
The Southeast Asia region was the first region in WHO which adopted a ministerial declaration on antimicrobial resistance as far back as 2011. And it happened that before that, AMR or antimicrobial resistance was the subject of the World Health Day. So the Ministers of Health of Southeast Asia met in Jaipur where they adopted this declaration. Very often we are told that when we adopt declarations or resolutions, we don't really follow them up. Therefore, we decided that after 3 years, we would again have a look to see how far we had gone after this resolution had been adopted. So we met again in Jaipur with all the member states of our region to see the progress that we had made in antimicrobial resistance. AMR, as you know, is a subject which is extremely important globally today because most of the pathogens are getting resistant to antibiotics. This is happening for a variety of reasons because sometimes the physicians prescribe antibiotics when they shouldn't be prescribing them. There is over-the-counter sale of antibiotics. There's not enough information with people when they go ahead and take antibiotics. Their reference point is that we took an antibiotic 1 year ago when they had a certain problem, and so they might as well just take it again. And they do not complete the entire course of antibiotics. So we in our region have tried hard to advocate with member states to have good prescriptive practices to stop over-the-counter sales of antibiotics, and member states are reacting very positively. India hosted a meeting just last year on a regional meeting on AMR, and this was even though a regional meeting, there were global experts that were invited there. There again, India reiterated the need for national action plans on AMR. And in keeping with that, Thailand, India, several other countries of our region today have national action plans on AMR. Straight after that, a meeting was held in Tokyo. This meeting was sponsored by WIPRO, that is the region of the Western Pacific of WHO, and CRO, the region of Southeast Asia of WHO, and the government. A communique was adopted, the thrust of which was on One Health. Because antibiotics are not only used in the human beings, they are also used by animals. And the use in animals is far more than in the human sector. And therefore, to bring the agriculture sector on board, to bring the animal husbandry sector on board, to bring the environment sector on board is critical. There, the One Health approach was adopted, which means that the Department of Health would work very closely with the animal sector, which may lie in the agriculture sector in some countries or in a different animal husbandry sector. And all countries would try to see that both these sectors would work together for One Health. We have again brought this item to our regional committee this year, and we are doing this to emphasize to member states the need for national action plans. That it's extremely important for every country of our region to tackle AMR through national action plans.